Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products out there, and today, we're talking about the best 48 by 36 whiteboard that you absolutely need for your home, office, or classroom. This magnetic dry erase board by TRIPOLLO is not just any whiteboard, it's designed for versatility, ease of use, and durability, making it the top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their space. Let's dive into the features that make this whiteboard stand out. First off, it's a 48 by 36 inch board, which offers plenty of space for all your writing and brainstorming needs. Whether you're using it for presentations, teaching, or organizing your thoughts at home, this board has you covered. The size is perfect for bigger projects, while still being compact enough to fit into most spaces. One of the key highlights of this whiteboard is its folding design. It unfolds to its full size and can easily be stored away when not in use. This makes it a great option for those who need a large writing surface but don't want to sacrifice space when they're not working. It's lightweight yet sturdy, with an aluminum frame that ensures it's built to last. Installation is a breeze with two mounting options. The board comes with metal hooks on both the long and short sides, allowing you to hang it either horizontally or vertically based on your preference. The movable hanging hooks give you the flexibility to adjust the height, so you can set it up in the perfect spot for your needs. Another amazing feature is its smooth, scratch-resistant surface, which makes writing with dry erase markers effortless. Not only that, but the magnetic surface allows you to attach notes, photos, or reminders with magnets. This adds even more functionality to the board, especially if you like to keep important documents within reach. It's also equipped with a detachable pen tray, so you never have to worry about losing your markers or eraser. Everything you need is right at hand, saving you time and making your workflow more efficient. The board's surface is also easy to wipe clean, ensuring you can reuse it again and again without any hassle. The TRIPOLLO whiteboard is incredibly versatile and can be used in so many different environments. Whether it's for home use, in schools, offices, or even community spaces, it's perfect for jotting down ideas, making lists, teaching, or even tracking game scores. It's not just a whiteboard, it's a tool to help you stay organized and productive. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, affordable, and versatile whiteboard, the TRIPOLLO 48 by 36 magnetic dry erase board is a fantastic choice. Be sure to check it out and elevate your workspace today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews here on Product Critique.